Good morning, good morning. Substitution when you have negative numbers to substitute. So we've got u is equal to -2 here, and we've got b is equal to -5. So instead of writing our u's and our b's for our letters, we can now convert them or substitute them into numbers. So u is -2 plus b, which is -5, so I have -2 plus -5, and that gives us an answer using our negative numbers of -7, because remember we start on -2, we take another 5 off it to get to -7. Okay, if we've got u minus b, this is where it gets a little bit interesting. We've got -2 minus -5. Now that is going to be the same as, I'll write it all in the back, it's going to be -2 plus 5, because remember these two minus signs, the green and the black minus signs, two minus signs together make a plus in our sum. So we're left with -2 plus 5, so -2 adding 5 to it will give us an answer of 3. We start on -2 and go 5 in the positive direction. Multiplying 3u means 3 times u, which is 3 times -2 in this case, which is going to give us an answer of -6. So 3u minus 6. Might have a combination here. So we're going to have 3u, which is 3 times -2. So 3 times -2 is -6, plus 4 times 5 is -20. Now care here. So we've got a -6 plus -20. Now -6 and the plus minus together means a minus overall. So it's -6 minus 20. So we're on -6. Go back another 20, leaves us with -26. We'll do a couple of different examples here. If we've got u now is -3, we'll change, remember u doesn't always have to be -2, so we'll change the numbers around. U this time is -3 and b is -6. So again, 2u is 2 times -3, that gives us -6. And then b is -6, so 4 times -6 is 24, -24, and -24. We'll put that one in green there to indicate that minus sign there. Now, between the two terms here, we've got this minus sign, which is, we'll put it here. So we've got -6 minus -24, so that gives us -6 plus 24. Remember these two minuses together as over there, combined to make a plus, to give us an answer of 18, because we're on -6 and we're adding 24 to it. Couple of things when we're dealing with these negative numbers. If we've got ub, remember that's u times b, we don't see the times sign. So in other words, we're going to have -3, let's get the right colours up, so -3 multiplied by -6, and that also gives us an answer by coincidence of 18 as well, because -3 times -6, we've got these two minus signs, and when we multiply two minus signs together, the net result is a plus. Remember, minus times a minus is a plus. Careful on that one. If we've got, for example, b squared now, so b squared, b is -6, that means -6 times by -6. So again, minus times minus is a positive, isn't it? So 6 sixes are 36. So it actually loses its minus sign when you're multiplying these two minus signs together. In other words, if you square a minus number, the answer is always going to be a positive. It's not going to be -36. But looking at this one, u cubed. So in other words, I'm going to have -3 times by -3 times by -3. So -3 times -3 times -3. Now look what happens here. -3 times -3 gives us 9. Remember, because we've got the two minuses make a plus there, so the two minuses disappear here. Times by, we've still got this -3 to deal with here. So -3, let's get it right, 9 times by -3 then gives us -27. So in other words, if you've got a cubing a minus number, you still end up with a minus answer, because it's an odd number of minus signs. These two make a plus, but then the other one puts it back to a minus again. So there we go. That is substitution when you've got negative numbers.